How to buy CHRLE, the CHRLE, the Unicorn token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community. So after that, how to buy this coin? This coin is in pre-sale. So as you can see, this is their website. This is the official website to buy this token. Now after that, click on connect wallet, and after that I will just select trust wallet. Now click on connect. Now after that you connect this website. I prefer the other way to buy this this way. They have two ways. If you copy this token address and add it to trust wallet. Now I will copy the address and go to trust wallet to be able to add this token, to be able to just make it easy to buy this token. Now from here, just click on this plus icon from here. Now select the base network. Now it's simple. Paste the token address as you can see. Now after that, as you can see, tap or click on add token. So this is our token. Click on add token. Now from here you will see or find your token as you can see. Now as you can see, there is the two option to receive or like send. So to be able to receive, just as you can see, now find it again, and as you can see, copy the wallet address, and as you can see from here, you will, as you can see here, the current price, the next price, as you can see. Now from here you will just enter how much you want to pay and paste the token or the token address, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the CHRLE, the unicorn, CHRLE, the unicorn token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.